You think your big decisions in life happen in important meetings, or when you sit down and focus deeply on work. But the truth is very different. Most of your day is not controlled by big moments. It is controlled by your first hour after waking up. Let's break a common belief. That first action you do in the morning, like grabbing your phone, checking messages, or scrolling social media. You may think it's harmless, but it is not just a habit. It actually changes your brain state. When you jump into notifications immediately after waking up, your brain shifts into a reactive mode. Instead of being calm and focused, it becomes alert, scattered, and easily distracted. It's like starting your day already behind. And by the time you finish checking everything, your mental energy has already been reduced, even before breakfast. Now imagine something simple. What if drinking a glass of water, or sitting quietly for just 5 minutes, could actually improve how your brain performs for the rest of the day? Sounds small, but it is powerful. Because your brain chemistry in the morning is very sensitive. If you start with chaos, your stress level rises. If you start with calm, your focus becomes stronger. This means your morning doesn't just start your day. It actually sets the quality of your thinking for the next 10 to 16 hours. So every small choice in the morning is shaping your decisions later in the day. Think of it like this. There is a silent architect working in your morning. You don't see it. You don't notice it. But it is building your entire day piece by piece. If your morning is rushed, distracted, and noisy, then your thoughts become the same, rushed and distracted. You reply faster without thinking. You make small mistakes. You lose focus easily. But if your morning is calm and intentional, everything changes. You think more clearly. You react less. You make better choices without forcing it. Most people lose their best mental energy in the first hour of the day, without even realizing it. They wake up and immediately step into noise, stress, and distraction. But the good news is this. You can change it. You don't need a perfect routine. You just need an intentional one. Even small things like not checking your phone immediately, drinking water, sitting quietly for a few minutes, can completely change how your day unfolds. So remember this. Your morning is not just a routine. It is the silent architect of every decision you will make today. If you control your morning, you don't just start your day better. You shape your entire life one day at a time.